Today I'm cooking a simple and fast vegetable dish, boiled okra with crispy garlic. This recipe uses pre-made crispy garlic and wonton mee sauce that I have shared before. It is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of fresh okra or lady's finger. This is not washed. I recommend washing them right before cooking. 3 tablespoons of wonton mee sauce, half tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of crispy fried garlic. The full list of ingredients and recipe for the sauce and garlic are in the See More link. First, prepare the pot of boiling water. I am filling up a large pan with water up to halfway. Switch on the heat to medium, cover the pan, and let it come to a rolling boil. Next, prepare the okra. Remove the stems. They are quite hard and fibrous. You can cut it one by one like this, or take 2 to 3 at one time for quick cutting. Alright, all done. Give them a quick wash. Okay, these are the okras or lady's finger that I have cut and washed. Now we can go and cook it. The water in the pan is boiling vigorously now. I have also prepared a basin of water with a large block of ice next to the pan. Open the lid, sprinkle all the salt, and give the water a gentle stir to dissolve it. Add all the okras into the boiling water. Stir gently to spread them out evenly. Cover the pan and let them boil for 2 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil for a lovely crunchy okra. If softer okra is preferred, extend the cooking time for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the water is boiling vigorously. The okras are cooked now. Give it a stir. Remove from the pan with the strainer. And immediately immerse it into the basin of cold water. This is called shocking the food. It stops the cooking process by removing the external residual heat, retain vibrant green okra, and give us a crunchy texture. We only want to soak it for less than 10 seconds so we can get lovely warm okra. Remove from cold water with a strainer and arrange it on a serving plate. Drizzle with the wonton mee sauce all over the okra. And top with all the crispy fried garlic. Optionally, garlic oil can be drizzled over the okra as well. Alright, our boiled okra with crispy fried garlic is ready. I will take the topmost one with lots of crispy garlic. Let's eat! So tasty and very crunchy. The okra is still warm and the garlic gives a lovely caramelized flavor. The wonton sauce goes well with the slumminess of the okra. Very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.